Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abimbola, aka Abby Ninja. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your pictures, or how I edit my pictures and get like a consistent feed and make your feed look really nice and cool. So yeah guys, just before I get into this video, please, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and put a comment and share it with your friends. I'm gonna need this as well. And yeah, so how to edit your pictures or how to get like a really cool feed, guys, is very important that you get the right lighting, the right kind of camera, the right kind of angles for your pictures. If your picture is not well lit, or the camera is not so great, then the outcome of the picture is not going to be very amazing either. So that is very important that you keep in mind as well. And also, I'm going to be using Lightroom to edit my pictures, and I'm going to be giving away free Lightroom presets for you to get familiar with Lightroom, or if you want to try it out, just see how it is. I'm going to be giving some presets and the link is going to be below, but you're going to need a password for this. The password is going to be somewhere at some point on the screen, so make sure you keep watching and try not to skip the video because you might miss the password. Okay. And also guys, I saw some of my presets on Etsy. The link is below as well. They're really cheap guys. Just check the link below and you find my presets there. So you guys, I'm gonna be doing two kinds of edits. I'm gonna be editing a selfie and also a full body picture, just so I can cover the two sides. So first things first, what I do is when I take my pictures, because we take so many pictures, what I do is I put the pictures I want to edit into a folder. So my folder is called To Edit. So I have two pictures in the folder that I want to edit, and I'm just gonna start with the selfie one. So with the sorry guys, I just want to adjust. So with the selfie, what I use for my selfies is Perfect 365. I absolutely love this app. So I'm gonna go to Photo, Makeup, go to my To Edit folder, and I'm gonna pick the picture out like that. So on the landing page, it's gonna put some weird filters or some weird makeup thing on your face. I don't like to do that. So what I do is I go to Tools, go to Soften Skin, because I want it to have this sort of like nice feel to my face. So I soften the skin a little bit. I don't do too much because then it looks like glossed up, and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some soften effects to it. If you have blemishes on your skin, you can just like get rid of the blemishes and stuff. And if say your foundation is looking too washed out or something, you can add color to your foundation. I don't need that because my face is looking good, like my melanin is popping. So you can add some blush as well. Yeah, I just add a little bit of the blush, so it's not too much. Also afterwards, say I want my lips to get glossier or have a different sort of like nudish look, so I go to lips, lipstick, I use the gloss texture, and I just find a nude color to add. So as you can see on the lips, it's sort of like divided. That's because the pin structure hasn't gone around my lips. So you press the finger sign there, and it's just going to take you to a page where you arrange the dots. So I'm just going to increase that around my lips. So this is also good if you want to make your lips look fuller. But I don't need that. Yeah, I just want to arrange that properly, and that's it. So you can increase the lipstick and decrease it. I don't want too much, so I'm just gonna add like something tiny, really nice. Yeah, so that's good. Afterwards, what else? If you want to change the eye color, add lashes, eyeshadow and stuff, I don't need any of that. If you want to change the shape of your face, say you want to make it slimmer, then you can do that. I don't think I need that, to be honest. So if you want to see what it looks like before, this is the before picture and this is the after. It's really not much different, except that it's just more softer and stuff. And then when you're done, you just save. So now that the selfie is saved from Perfect 365, I'm gonna go to Facetune just to make some arrangements on the picture. So this is the edited picture right here. So what I do is I go to Retouch and I whiten the background because I like white backgrounds. I like my backgrounds to be white. So I whiten up the background like this, just around my face, nothing too serious. And the tiny corners is where you want to get that area so it doesn't look patchy. And then you can increase the brightness just to see what you're doing. You can also paint onto your body as well so you can really get into the corners and then you erase it afterwards. That's what I do. So I use the eraser tool and I erase the parts of my body that I don't want to be whitened. Like that. And I think we're good. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And then I blur out my background. I actually need to do a video on how to blur out your backgrounds because a lot of people just don't get it. But yeah, what I do is I go to the defocus tool on Facetune and I either use auto defocus or just like manually defocus the areas that you want to be blurred out. So I'm just going to do this manually and blur it out. So you can increase the blur, which is quite a lot. I'm just going to decrease mine and I'm going to set the light to increase. And yeah, so this is the before and after. So if you want your face to be brighter, if you want your skin to be brighter, you can go to brightness, just increase the brightness a little bit and maybe add some color to your skin if you want. And voila, really. The thing is, when you get a picture or take a picture in good lighting, you don't really have to do a lot of editing. At times when I take pictures in dark lighting and I have to like do so much, but with this picture the lighting is good, the angle is perfect, I really don't need to do much, and this is just it, and I just save it and get ready to be posted. So now I'm going to be editing the full body picture using Lightroom. Lightroom is the app that I use to edit my pictures and add presets or filters onto my pictures. So yeah, now let's go. Now I'm on Lightroom. I have also applied my pictures into folders as well because I like to get organized and stuff. So I made a folder called tutorial. This is where the pictures I want to edit on Lightroom are. So this picture is the one I'm going to be editing today. I took this picture a while ago. So on Lightroom, there are different features that you can use. There's a selective, you want to like maybe brighten a certain part of the picture. Use the selective tool. There's healing, there's crop, there's auto, there's light, color, effects, blah, blah, blah. But life is so much easy. Life can be easy if you just use presets. So because I like my pictures to be sort of like brownish, I use like presets that are sort of in that area of brownness. So, and I also make sure to take pictures in brightly lit natural areas, places of sort of like whitish or beige background, just so you can work well with my preset. So you need to keep that in mind as well. So I'm gonna go to my presets. I have like some presets that I've made. These are the ones at the top are the ones that Lightroom has, and these are my presets that I've made and stuff. So I'm gonna go, usually I use this presets from my darkroom folder called Husky. This is the one I usually use, but it's too dark for this particular picture, so I want something brighter. So I use this one called Brown. It's also made from Husky because you know you can tweak them and stuff. Yeah, so it's made from Husky. This is a brown preset. So now I'm not exactly very happy with this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna adjust it to match what I really want. So I'm gonna go on lights and brighten it up a bit with exposure, and I'm gonna set the contrast a little bit as well. I'm gonna increase the shadow, now it's looking washed out, but I'm gonna do the trick very soon. So it creates a shadow, so like the background can be lit up as well. The whites are gonna go down, and now I'm gonna go to color, where I'm gonna add color to my skin and stuff. So I'm gonna increase the vibrance a bit. Go to brown. Brown is like the feature where you can work with your skin tone. And I'm just gonna increase the saturation of the brown and just decrease the luminance a little bit just to get my skin popping. Now I'm gonna go to effects. I'm pretty happy what I have on effects. Oops. Nothing to change here. I'm gonna go to details. On details is where you can sharpen and reduce noise and stuff. Noise reduction is basically like gets rid of the grainy stuff on your pictures. So the sharpness is too much for me. I'm gonna decrease the sharpness. Not so bad. And I'm gonna increase the noise reduction, and voila. So if you want the black parts to get darker, just go to blacks and decrease it, and that's it, guys. So yeah, I'm done editing the picture now. This is it before and this is it after. It's very easy, very simple, straightforward, as long as you know what you're doing. And I'm just gonna export to camera roll, and that is saved on my phone, ready to be posted. So now, guys, we're gonna get to the part where you create your feed or arrange your feed or maintain a theme and stuff like that. So guys, different people like different themes. I have like, sometimes I change my themes from time to time, the color of my feed and how it looks or how it should look and stuff like that. And this can be done as well, especially when you have a particular preset or filter that you use for your pictures. If you like whitey stuff, obviously you need pictures in white backgrounds. If you like brownish stuff, then something darker and things like that. So for me to arrange my feed, what I usually use is this app called Preview. Preview is an app that I've been using for a long time to arrange my Instagram feed, just to make sure it's well, designed and stuff. Is that the word? Well, yeah. So Preview I use for my pictures on Instagram to arrange and see what it's potentially gonna look like. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I want my feed to look at the moment. I'm gonna be adding the pictures that I just edited. So on Preview, you click the cross on the side to add your picture, go to photos and videos. It's gonna take you to your albums, and I'm gonna add the 2 pictures that I've edited. So I'm gonna add this, and yeah. So now I have my 2 pictures added in the field. I already have pictures from my Instagram, so now it's just gonna add this. So this is just so like to know potentially what my feed would look like. If I don't like a particular picture in a particular area, I can just switch it around. I can decide to have this one in the middle and have my selfie on the right side, or have my selfie in the middle and things like that. So yeah, it's really easy. There are other apps that you can use as well. I think there's one called Planoli, there's different ones, guys. Just check them out. And yeah, so you guys, we have come to the end of this very, very long video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something. If you did, please kindly give it a thumbs up, like I said earlier. And if you haven't subscribed, I think now is the time for you to subscribe. It's very, very quick and easy. Just press the red button and the bell. Doesn't cost nothing. It's quite cheap. I mean, it's very cheap. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you come back for more, and I hope I'm able to make more and more videos like this for you guys. And yeah, have a great day, a great evening, a great morning, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll be seeing you later. Bye.